There's some dumb ass. See, this is something that took me forever, so long to grasp, because I was always around really smart people, and I'm like, oh, I'm nothing special. And then you realize like everyone's stupid.
Yeah, painfully so. Painfully stupid, Eden. What's your birthday? May 15th. What year?
Every year.
Well, how old are you? 16? Are you asking me or telling me? What's your middle name? J. No, J's the letter. What does it stand for? Like, it's Jeffrey, stupid. Just say Jeffrey. Look. Today. Who do you live with? My mom. Great. Is it just you and your mom? Yeah. And then later, we'll be talking and we'll go, well, my little sister, I'm sorry, you have a sister there? Yeah. When I asked you who lived there, and you said your mom, and I said, do only you and your mom live there? You said yes. Oh, I'm sorry. I have a sister and a brother. Okay, well, let's go back then. And I have to like go all the way back and start from, oh, fucking God.
Okay, so disability insurance. So what I have from the VA is compensation.
Okay.
That's more like a tort. That's like saying like, if I got hit by a bus and sued them and won $1 million, that's compensation.
Right.
It's not the same as insurance.
Right. Insurance is an insured status. You paid into it. We're giving it back to you. There's a pot of money with your name on it.
I'm probably going to take more than I put in.
Okay. Okay. I can do that.
There might actually be some right in the green bag too. Is there the gray bag in the green bag?
Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
I'm like, I have to put them somewhere.
Are those going to burn her though?
Oh, what is it for? For alcohol wipes.
Huh?
Oh, her shirt. That'll take them right out. And you know, the laundry does that too.
Yeah, just kids. You know what? Wait, you go find this when you have kids. You can't own anything white. It's just gone. You can't have white. You can't have yellow. You can only have dark colored clothes. Like, you just can't. Yep. It's over. Right. So the SSDI, and that's if I start working again, then I call you guys back up. If I start bringing income again.
Well, there's a whole mess of rules. It's too complicated to even just go into the what ifs. But if you do go back to work, like you're working a job, we have income limits and we have 9-month trial work periods, and there's all kinds of shit before it's not immediately stopped. There's trial work periods. Right. There, if you're under the limit, you can actually just work forever as long as you're under the limit. Like, it's fine.
Got it.
You just log into your My Social Security account and report it. There's a working, and you just list your income every month. And as long as you're under the limits, you're fine. But if you're over the limits, after that 9 months, you get it for 2 months after your 9th month. So like, because it's like a 2 month. It's like whatever.
Because they want people to go back to work if they can.
Right.
Right. We don't want to discourage that.
You live on $1,400 a month or whatever. Like, come on.
No.
That's why. That's why SSI is terrible, because like it caps out at this year. It's what are we at? $783 a month. That's all you get. Here in California, there's a cost of living, so there's the state. So there's a California state supplement. So SSI pays $783, and California, I think, is paying like $340.
Still not enough.
$1,000. It doesn't get you anything. I mean, it might get you like a crack house, a room in a crack house, but like, it doesn't get you anything. And people are always whining, like, "Why? I need more." I'm like, first of all, it's in the title. It's a supplement.
That's SSI.
Right.
The
Supplemental
SSDI.
Security Income. Yours is Social Security Disability, but people are always like, I only get $700. What do I do? You had to work more. It's math.
And
so
I had to work 40 quarters all my life. Is that what it is?
You have 2 rules, because you're over 24, but you're under 62. So you have 2 rules. You have to have 40 quarters in your lifetime, and you have to have 20 of the last 40 worked, unless your onset date is prior to that. Like, so like if right now you're like, oh God, you only have 12 of the last 20 quarters worked. Well, that's fine, because your onset date isn't right now. Your onset date's 4 or 5 years ago or whatever.
7 years, but the onset can be within 10 years.
The onset can be anything you want. There just has to be records about it. I took a guy back to like 2002.
Okay.
Just to see. He had records. Whatever. Let's see. We're not going to pay you back that far, but as long as they find you disabled back that far, you're in.
Got it. Okay. That should be easy to do.
But we can do it all through your My Social Security account.
Yeah, let's knock this out today. Like, I feel like the application wasn't that long.
It's not.
Yeah, it wasn't that hard. There were just a couple of instances where I was like, oh, I gotta call Marlon just to make sure I get this right.
If I can do this over the phone with someone in an hour, hour and a half, we should be able to bang it out on a computer and listen to that.
Yeah,
that's
I think
me
it took me like
as a
25
two-way
minutes.
phone call. Like, yeah.
Do I have to look up my old W-2s, or you guys just get it from the IRS?
No W-2s. Your earnings history is on your record.
Okay. Oh, right, because you're getting that.
Right. The IRS gives that to us every year. And if you're self-employed, as long as you file your taxes, it still comes in. So we'll have everything.
Well, I didn't make any income though. So I've had the restaurant for 5 years, but I didn't have any income. I only paid out. Honestly, I had negative income. So I didn't have a.
So then with that, it's going to be, did you, like, what was your work? Because that's where I get lost, because it's not my department.
Right.
So yours is tricky in that they're going to have to quantify the work. So even though you had no income, you were working.
Right.
So they have to quantify it. So we're going to have to look at your earnings history and figure out your DLI, your date last insured, and then see what we can do. Because if you're insured through now, like if you're insured through like, oh, December of 2021, then we'll just go with the date after you got rid of the restaurant. Like we're not going to worry about your work, because then you'll have to fill out paperwork after paperwork after paperwork about it. And if we can just say, well, I stopped working because I'm disabled at this point, and you were done working. That's where it's going to be.
So wait, so I don't bring up the restaurant then?
Well, you have to, because you were working.
Got it.
Well, God, it's so complicated to get. Sometimes I hate this. So you have to remember that it's like a timeline.
Yeah.
Think of it linearly. And they're going to look at what's your age, what's your work history, and what's your education history. Then it's also math. When did you work? When did you? It's also wages. Like what's on your earnings history? Because if you don't have earnings, you're only insured 5 years after the last point you earned, basically. So that's why I need to see what your earnings were to see what your kind of.
I haven't had earnings, so to speak, in over 5 years, so I'm not insured anymore.
You might not be, but you're still eligible because you have a disability that can go back that far, where they can say, yeah, you're not insured now, but at the time of your disability, you were insured. As long as that's the case, you're fine. But we gotta kind of find that mark. This is
that should be. I mean, there should definitely be that plenty of overlap. So I got rated 60% in 2005, and then I got rated up at 100%, and I want to say it was in 2013, and I stopped working in 2013.
Okay. So then it's the restaurant's what's going to be tricky for you, but.
Well, it's a restaurant, but I claimed everything. Like everything was still claimed. I wasn't one of those guys that took my tips and hid them, so to speak.
Right, but what I'm thinking is, there's a form you fill out about that. It's called a work history report.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Look at this coast.
Yeah.
Look at that coastline.
There's Catalina.
Look at this Ocean Eden. Look at the fog on Catalina Island. Do you see that? Are you looking? No.
Are you feeling with your heart?
Are you feeling with your eyes and heart?
This is our 7th grade trip.
Yeah, Catalina. That was our 8th grade trip at All Saints.
Disneyland is our 8th grade trip.
No, we didn't get that.
It was Washington, D.C., and then they switched to Disney.
I would rather send you to Disney than Washington, D.C.
Really?
Look at that.
You
I'd
would
totally
rather go
rather
to
go to
Disney
DC.
than Washington, D.C.
I love Disneyland. I love Disneyland, but DC?
Well, because Washington was too expensive. It was
Sure.
like $2,000 to go on the trip.
But it's like Disney.
Disney's like
$800.
$200.
No, it's like $800, but it's not
It was
$3,000.
like $500.
It's nothing, and it's
So
cheaper.
a lot of people could go.
Well, depending on where the situation is, I'll take you to DC in April during the Cherry Blossom Festival. Best time to go. The weather's perfect, and the whole city smells like cherries. Yeah, I used to live in DC.
The winters are brutal.
Oh, the summers are
The
brutal.
summers are worse.
Spring and
But
fall
that
are
spring is glorious.
Summers in New York City. God damn, that fucking sucked.
Yeah, the humidity was out of control.
Yeah, you're sitting there at the top of the subway station, about to go underneath, and you're just like, the heat just keeps you from going
the
down.
waves come down. Like, oh, you can see it.
Yeah.
First time I was ever catcalled was summers in New York. You wear less. It's cuter, and then that's all you get.
Yeah, those girls wouldn't wear shit in the wintertime. It'd be fucking 20 degrees outside, and they'd have hot shorts
Hot
on.
pants.
You're like, I can see the bottom of your butt, and it's freezing.
Yeah.
And you're outside smoking like this,
Yeah.
in your heels and your mini.
Yeah.
Oh, girl, just wear some pants.
Yeah.
You'll still get, someone still touch a cooter. Just wear some pants.
You look ridiculous.
You look absurd.
Yeah.
Right, Tedden?
Mama.
Come here till Teddy gets her first cat call. She goes over and crushes his trachea. Just walks away. Just like a quick. Ah!
Hiya! Oh, here's one. I got catcalled while pumping gas. After I ignored him, the old Karen at the pump beside me walked over, tapped me on the shoulder during a pandemic to let me know that the man over there was trying to compliment me. You should smile.
Women are women's worst enemy, dude.
Oh, they are.
It can always kill you. It's like, man, more men are on your side than you think, and more women are not on your side.
Yep. Here it is. This is what my friend sent me. Make it a habit to remind yourself that great things are coming, and no matter what you're going through, there's so much to look forward to. He sends me positive inspirations.
Who's this?
My friend Nathan.
Nathan? Nate?
Nate Lunt. Nathan Lunt.
Did you go to Broby?
No, he did not.
Sounds familiar.
He is a giant nerd bro. He's like a pharmacist, formerly Mormon, large adult virgin man-child. Finally left the church, lost his virginity.
That's it. Like that day.
He was like, I'm done doing this. Why am I protecting this? I'm like, nobody knows, man. You are 34 years old. Best thing you ever did was leave the church, dummy.
Welcome to being an adult.
Yeah.
And not, paying people money to tell you what to do.
And not understanding why you're withholding things from yourself because a book told you so. I'm really happy that you read a book, but
Right.
no.
Right.
We don't make
Read
rules
Harry Potter.
We don't make rules and laws about it. Like, just live your life, man. And he's like, I think I'm gonna be ready to try other things, like not drugs, but like alcohol. I'm like, I've got your back, man. You want to try alcohol? You let me know.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be there.
Then let's try some drugs.
I've got the good stuff, so you let me know what you need.
Stay away from heroin.
Right.
Stay away from
Crystal
cocaine.
meth.
Stay away from meth.
Like, there's big stuff you can stay away from.
LSD,
Otherwise,
have a field day.
Go on one trip.
Marijuana,
just do one.
smoke your shit out, bro.
Every day.
Ugh. Every
And
day.
he's such a good guy, man. He's such a good guy.
Stay away from the pills. Just because it's prescribed doesn't mean
he's
it's
a
not
pharmacist. He
doing
knows.
drugs. Okay,
He knows.
good.
He knows. Da, da, da. I want to live here. Who doesn't? Oh my god. Oh, get it, bike dude, get it. Yeah. Drink your juice, Teddy? Did you drink your juice? St. Peter's by the Sea. Like, of course you are.
Yeah.
St. Peter's by the Sea.
Fucking Episcopalians.
Presbyterian.
Catholic Light. Oh, Presbyterian.
Yep.
I feel like they're Presbyterians are like the relaxed Protestants, right? I can't remember.
Diet Protestant.
Yeah. I don't remember all the rules anymore.
Fun hill. You know what I really like Episcopalians? They're just chill. Women lead. They do gay marriage. Like.
So do atheists. I don't have to pay any money.
That's true.
Why would I put money into something that doesn't feed somebody, house somebody? Like, you just sit there and you pay somebody money to tell you what to do.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.